Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the compressor access cover on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new compressor access cover for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. With access to the back of the refrigerator, remove the screws holding the compressor access cover in place using a 5/16" nut driver. Then, slide the cover up to remove. If you need to purchase a new compressor access cover, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the access cover to the compressor compartment, being sure that the two tabs seat behind the lip, and slide into place. Then, reinstall the screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.